What if you disturbed a yellow jacket nest while doing yard work and got swarmed by hundreds of aggressive wasps? Your first instinct would be to jump into the nearest pool or pond for safety, but this could be the worst mistake of your life. Yellow jackets don't just give up when you hit the water. They hover at the surface, waiting patiently for you to come up for air. The moment your head breaks the surface, they attack again. Meanwhile, your panicked swatting and thrashing releases more attack pheromones. This signals every wasp in the area that you're still a threat. In water, multiple stings can trigger anaphylactic shock, causing you to drown helplessly. Instead, cover your face and run straight to an enclosed space like a car or building. Never jump in water, no matter how desperate you feel. Seek immediate medical attention for multiple stings. That survival instinct to escape into water can turn a painful but survivable situation into a drowning tragedy.